Return true if all characters in a string are in another string. Alright, so for this problem I am meant to be writing a function that returns true if a given string contains only characters from another given string. So if I input bird as the first string and herb as the second, it would return true, but if I used birds as the first string and herb as the second, it would return false. My code so far looks like this. When I try to run the script, it only returns true if the strings are in the exact same order or if I input only one letter, bird or b in bird versus bird and herb.
This is a perfect use case of sets. The following code will solve your problem.
Sets are fine, but aren't required, and may be less efficient depending on your string lengths. You could also do simply. Note that this will stop immediately as soon as a letter in S2 isn't found in S1 and return false.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.